Hi, welcome once again. So here in this example, what we are trying to create a rock, and on the rock there is some ice, and both the meshes are the same mesh, just that we will change some orientation. And as on when on the left side we are changing the orientation, what you can see, the ice or the white color changes its position, so it is always on the top, and whatever goes down or maybe some other orientation, it is keeping red. Same thing happens for the other mesh also. So the only difference between both of is this: on the left hand side it is basically the pixel normal, and on the right hand side it is basically the vertex normal. Now the difference between pixel and the vertex normal is, at the vertex normal what it controls is the vertices, whatever the face it is facing in the normal. And when you are talking about the pixel normal, instead of vertices it takes up at the pixel level, and that gives basically the detailed image and more realistic. You can see in the other example also, where we have taken up not on the mesh but yes on a sphere, where we have added the cobblestones. And here what you can see on the right hand image with the vertex normal, the upward is blue, and the downside is more of a red, and then other side is basically the green. However, in the pixel normal, what you can see is, irrespective of the position, it is more of a pixel or direction what pixels are basically facing. Please like this video if you find it informative and helpful, and yes, subscribe to our channel for more updates. Fine, so let us recreate it. It's again right click and create a material, name it as a pixel normal. So here we are, so we will make it as a pixel normal world space. So here we are, the pixel normal. Fine. So let me open this in the material editor. Fine. Now what we need is you right click and then you search for the pixel normal. Here is a pixel normal. Simply connect the pixel normal with base color. Okay, so here you can see it's exactly the same thing what we have seen with the vertex normal. We can check that again. So let me write vertex normal. Okay, before getting into the vertex normal, let me add a texture so that you can understand or you can understand the difference. And let me take, okay, so let me have yes, I think this cobblestone, this will work fine. So normal map, here it is. So what you can see, it's very simple. Even in so you can check that. Okay, here also the upper portion which corresponds to the z axis is actually the mixture of lot of colors. It is not that it is only blue, so there are other colors also. You have seen in the red side, or you have seen in the green side also, there are other colors also, is other colors are also prevailing. And those colors are prevailing because it is not the vertices, it is about the pixel which is facing. Now that check with the vertex normal, how does it work? Here you can see everything is either blue or black or green or black or red or black. Now again let me reconnect with the pixel normal. You can see in the upper portion, what you can see, it is upper side, the pixels which is facing towards the z axis is blue, which is showing towards the x is taking up the red color, and whatever is facing towards the y is taking up the green color. So it is quite a simple. This gives a more naturalistic image or naturalistic thing when it is compared with the vertex normal. So apply that. So here we are, we apply it. Oh, why it is not happening? Okay, fine. Sorry, I forgot to save it. Now here you can see, and if we check this on a thing, so here on a pixel level it is working. So this green is towards the z axis, not z, so towards the y axis, and the whatever the blue is facing towards the z axis. If we look even more closer, let me just, yeah, fine. So here you can see it is majorly, even if you see the even more closer, So when you see in the detail, you will see here like lot of red or lot of blue is getting, mixed up. And why it is happening? Because these are the pixels which is available on the same vertices, maybe facing towards the z axis, so that will take up as the blue, and whatever is towards the y axis will take green, or whatever is towards the z axis is green. So this is all about the pixel node. Now let me close this and let me get back to this. Now what we have done, the same thing we have in our earlier example also, where we have used a lot of other node like if node, app node and all those node, and we have, instead of pixel, we have added vertex normal. So the example which I was showing at the beginning of this video, that a sort of ice which is lying on the rock, and as on when you change the orientation of the rock, the ice remains on the top of it. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot.